We're doing great, and I know that last time. I mean, you basically the last hurricane there was some heavy destruction down where you were, right?
Oh yeah. I think three of my kids have had major damage to
Oh,
their homes, and it's just really sad what's going on down there.
yeah. I'm sorry. Unreal. These storms are like not only unpredictable, but that rain that came in at that storm was like over the top, right?
Yeah, it was really over the top. At one point, it was moving 2 miles per hour.
Oh,
I just sat there for 24 hours.
unreal. Unreal. So you sent over some charts.
I did.
Where would you like to start?
Let's start on the multi-chart scanner because
Okay.
it really kind of shows that the Forex market is really moving. You know, any of the values in that first column that has the numbers in it, any of those that are over 50 in bright color just means they're all trending. So those are really good markets just to wait for a pullback and then enter. Now, I'm specifically watching pretty much three currencies, the British pound dollar, the USD JPY,
Okay.
and also the USD Swiss franc, but that one hasn't set up yet. Now, if you'll go over to the British pound dollar chart,
Okay.
you can see that this morning when I took that, there was a reversal bar forming to the downside. Now, since the U.S. market has opened, it's actually reversed and it's turning into a reversal bar to the upside. But that's one of the reasons I really stress watching your price bars, because to me, price is the first thing you need to watch.
Okay. So I'm having a tough time looking at some of these. Sorry.
That's okay.
Okay, so next.
The next one is the USD JPY,
Yes, I have that up.
which,
Okay.
yeah, I've been anticipating at least a bounce up on that one, potentially going back and taking out the 114.50 area,
Yeah.
especially if we get the reversal bars today. And again, those are ones I'm watching on. They would be the longer term trade setups. They wouldn't be the shorter term. For short term, you know, I use a 15-minute, but these are more of daily and weekly trades that may come in.
Yeah, that yen had quite a run, right?
Oh yeah, it did. And we were expecting this retracement. So this is a point, you know, if you're a trend trader, you're saying, okay, we're at a level that may actually support price
Okay.
and see if it goes back up. Now, you know, if it's not able to take out the 114.50 area,
Yes.
we may see a deeper pullback, you know, potentially like on a weekly chart.
Sure. And next I have, let's see what we got here. I got the Swiss franc, right?
Yeah, now the Swiss franc I didn't send you, that's in the scanner.
Okay.
And if you look in the scanner, the 720-minute ADX is at 89. That is a extremely high value. So that one, I'm waiting for that one to pull back. And if it does, I will potentially enter into that trend. Now, the one thing about that one is you could go down in time and actually trade the retracement if you like doing, you know, retracement trades or counter trend trades, which I do. But it looks like that's going to start the retracement. The lower time frames are actually starting to set up on that one. So those are going to be good counter trend trades on like a 2-hour binary. And once it does its retracement, then you could potentially enter into the trend on a longer term trade, like a daily or maybe a weekly.
Now, you're going to be doing a webinar, Gail, right?
Yes, we have a series of 4 webinars. It's every Wednesday in October. And the first one starts tomorrow at noon.
Okay.
We're going to have 3 that are open to everyone. The first one is review of the candlestick patterns. Then we have review of technical analysis. Then we're going to do a webinar on choosing a market in time frame that's right for you, depending on what type of trader you are. And then if you have a live account with Nadex, you'll be invited to the final series, which is applying all of this knowledge into trading. And we're actually going to be trading the 5-minute binaries.
And folks, the way that you can check this out, you just go over to nadex.com and go under webinars, under the Learning Center, and you're going to see a complete review of candlestick patterns. Gail Mercer right there. You can register. It's free. The first one is tomorrow at noontime, right?
Right.
Cool.
And then the 17th at noon and the 24th at noon. And then on the October 31st, which is Halloween, that's the one that's for members only of Nadex.
Okay.
And that's going to be a really good one. It's going to be probably an hour and a half to 2 hours.
Wow.
But we're going to do a lot of trading in that one.
And it's very easy to sign up, folks. As soon as you hit that, you'll see a complete review of the candlestick chartings. We're talking, she's going to be talking doji, spinning tops, continuation candles, retracements, trend reversals. You know, and market-wise out here, Gail, we seem to get a little volatility going in the marketplace.
Yeah, I think we are. I think we've been, you know, a little bit slow the last couple of weeks, but then we had the FOMC and then we had the non-farm employment. So it was really just kind of volatile just at certain periods.
Yes.
But now I'm kind of getting excited because I think we're going to pick up on volatility.
Gotta love it. Well, listen, it's always a pleasure. Really appreciate you coming on, giving us an update in the currencies. And we, of course, folks, the way you get into that workshop, just go over to the Nadex platform. Go under webinars. You'll see Gail right there. You have a great one, a safe one, Gail, and we look forward to speaking to next Tuesday.
Oh, you too. And thank you for having me here.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thanks, Gail. Take care. Yeah, so very simple. You just go to nadex.com and you'll see webinars. Right at the top, you click there, and that's how you get there. Nice and simple.
It's a beautiful thing.
Totally.
You know, market-wise out here, it's going to be interesting, Tom, to see what we have going. I mean, they went to the Sherman-Williams store. They got some green paint out here.
Definitely.
You know, that being said, guess what? Bottom line is that there's no real juice just yet. But what you do have, folks, is that if we take a look at it, you're going to basically, you know, the SPY is up with 17 million shares. Now, if you're a bull, what you'd rather is that you had tested the bottom first, because what we're doing is that we're going higher, and you're coming into a vicious downdraft, and you don't have the juice behind this move right now. When we come back, we're going to be talking with Paul again. We're going to be seeing where this little market goes.
I want more updates from the weigh-in, man. I want more updates about all those Irish people at the weigh-in, man.
Seriously, man. Seriously. Stay right there, folks. Paul, Tom, and myself will come right back. Dow right now up 13. NASDAQ is up 55. S&Ps are up 3. We're coming right back.